Do you know the secret to boosting your immune system, supporting healthy digestion, and even lowering blood pressure? It's Kiwi! One medium kiwi provides about 70% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, essential for immune function, skin health, and iron absorption. Kiwi contains a range of antioxidants, including polyphenols and carotenoids, which help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Kiwi is a good source of dietary fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support healthy gut bacteria. The potassium content in kiwi can help lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and promoting healthy blood vessel function. Kiwi is a good source of several minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. There you have it, the amazing health benefits of kiwi. So add kiwi to your diet and start reaping the rewards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.